Right next to the line tool is a shape tool. So if I click on shape, I get a drop down menu. I've got lots of different kinds of shapes. I've got all of these shapes. I've got arrows. I've got call outs, and I have some equation things here, although I'm not sure why you would use those instead of just using your tools on your keyboard. But let's look at the shapes first. So let's say I want to make a rectangle. If I click on rectangle and then I draw, I drag either down to the right or up to the left or however I draw my squares, I have a square. And as we talked about earlier, a square is made of two parts. It has a line on the outside, in this particular case it's black, and a fill on the inside. I'm going to change it a little bit to make it easier to see. We'll make the line color dark burgundy and we'll make it a little thicker. And we'll make the fill color green. That should be a horrible color combination. Okay, so now I've got a rectangle. If I want to make that rectangle into a square, when I use the rectangle tool, I hold down the shift key and it draws a perfect square for me. So that way I have a square. I also have under this menu things like call outs. If I wanted to do a call out or use Google Draw to put a picture in and have the characters saying something in a call out, I can draw a call out and then put a text box inside. We'll talk about that in a minute. So all your different shapes are under the shape tool, shapes, arrows, call outs, equation tools, and you just go over and select the one you want. Like if you want a heart, you can have a heart. When you draw it, it will just automatically draw for you. You can use the arrow tool to make it smaller by dragging in on the corners or to make it larger by dragging out.